Grubandtherangerz like to take a moment to thank our sponsors.
Dude, you know you can't take it off in the field, but you can pull it and then wipe it off.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, Anthony. Right side right here. They're up on the top of this path, just sitting there. Hey, Drew, if you really need to, drop your M16, take my M9, and you can just charge them. Your body armor's not that heavy. It wouldn't really do. David, pick up your feet. Shut up. David, this is what I mean. You're going like this. They were sitting up there. Anthony. You want to send Drew up there to check it out?
Yeah.
Drew, run up there. Check it out.
No.
Just run up there 16, go check it out. He's got comms, so... Go up to the top. They should be somewhere to your left. To your left.
They might have taken off the fire.
Okay. You want us three to head up there?
Some talking directly in front of me.
Stay there, Drew. You want me, David, and them to run up there, or do you want David with you, and then me and him can go that way?
I want Roger and you to go up there. I want these two to stay with me.
No, stay.
Okay. Drew, you two stay with him. What? I got Tom. And I got a 6-shot revolving grenade launcher. So.
Come here, body armor.
What?
Come here, body armor.
Oh, and I got a movement. I'll take right side. I'm turning this down. It's just Ken. That guy right there's just Ken. I'm gonna move up the top of here, okay? Steele's got that area covered to about there. Yeah. I hear it. Okay. Hey, what's your name? Roger, I'm moving up here. Contact! Good shot getting me earlier. You got me earlier. Good shot. Roger, hold. I saw two of them earlier when I was coming back. There was two of them earlier when I was heading back. That guy right there walking back is dead. Did it get you? I'm sorry, I saw him right then when you walked up on him too. General Miles, do you copy? Me and Roger moved up, took out two, but Roger's down. I'm at the dump by myself. Should I move up or wait here? Where are they?
Bandit, what's your location? Bandit location. 30 meters from fuel depot. Recon, you copy that?
I copy. I also steals directly to my 9.
Alright, stand by there until you're ready. We're still under contact in our area, over.
Okay, over. The sniper saw me fall the...
Right in front of us. Who is that?
What camo?
It is,
I wouldn't know. Sorry. Where's your location?
Tango down.
I am moving directly up to the dump. Is that okay? Over.
Roger, that's fine. Bandit, who'd you get? We had eyes on Sash.
Contact. I'm up at the top of the dump. Ah! God! Damn it. Ah! No, I slipped! I'll take the kill though. I'll take the kill. Ah.
Oh, you want to head back into it?
Yeah, I was gonna kill some people. Once they instead of keeping that tree line, they went in farther. I think they're keeping in an outpost out over there by the dump.
Huh.
So.
Well, I don't know this area enough to know dump and all that.
Yeah, it took me. This is my third or fourth time being here, so. We'll take him with us and then we'll head out over there.
What is your team's ammo status? Over.
I'm good. This is my first mag. I ain't even through it yet.
Oh, this is the RM4 recoil, so I ran out of my 30 round recoil mag, so.
Roger that.
Yeah. 30 rounds isn't a lot. This is recon. I've got 2 mags and 1 high cap left. Yeah, I don't exactly. High caps are my favorite. They're kind of fun to play. I kind of like to use them in normal games, but I like to try to go to some mil sims. Mm-hmm. So I like to run a bunch of mid caps. People say occasionally I do run a lot more gear than I need to, but. Drew, stop. See that tree right directly in front of you? Yeah. Run to it. I'm on your 6. Let's go.
Wait, which one?
No, I can tree line.
Okay.
This time I'm going to
Okay. Drew, stop. Is anybody over there?
Huh?
They were right here, so. Okay. You see that tree right in front of us?
Yeah.
Run to it.
Okay.
Drew, this side of the tree. Drew. Drew, look down there. See anybody? Drew, go run up to the edge. If you see anybody, run back. If you don't, just come back. The edge right there. Run. Go check it. Okay, it's good. Let's go. Contact. Drew 6. Roger. Hey Roger, you copy? We got two, possibly 5, where Drew's aiming. Drew, get back up here. Drew! There's 2 right there. Come back up here. They're directly in there. Drew, they're directly right there. You know you can pull your mask over. You can't take it off, but you can pull it forward and just wipe it off.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
It's not falling up in there.
Directly in front of us. Roger. See that tree right there?
Mm-hmm.
You stay prone, I'll move. No, we're going to stay here. We're going to wait for a sec. Guys, this is Recon. Me, Roger, and Trollface are on the right side of the tree line. We have spotted 2 to possibly 5 enemies. Don't have an exact number.
And short stuff is out. We're at respawn.
Okay, if you head up that path before you go straight into... If you keep going to the back where we all split up and you go up that path that's all the way back there, you'll see me and Trollface, and if you keep on going on your left, you'll see Roger. Roger, about directly between 12 and 1 o'clock in front of you, I hear footsteps. That tree right there, see what I'm pointing at?
Yeah, that one.
Run. Go, 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 go. Just ninja sneak.
What?
Ninja sneak, go low and fast.
And 8,500 square between from 119 to 118. You'll see the road in that grid square, break. The bottom road, of course, break. From the road edge on down to the bottom of that grid square is your search area. You are looking for a red box. Copy.
General, me, Trollface, and Roger are in that general vicinity. Ow. Me, Trollface, and Rogers are in that general vicinity where he just said that might be.
Roger. I got eyes on possible sniper.
Over. We lost them on your right. We just lost some guys. They may be moving in.
Roger, I got eyes on him.
Is he on your right or your left?
He's directly to my left.
Okay.
4 to 6 tangos in the fuel depot.
Just leg rotation.
Hey, Roger. I think they either moved or they're really camoed in. You want to come up here and we'll stick on this farther line so we're not directly by the trees? Hey, Trollface, do you have your walkie-talkie on you? Drew! Drew! Can you hear me now, Trollface? Can you hear me? Side button on the left.
Is this better?
Yeah, you know you can just put it in front of your mask, right?
Roger that.
Okay, Roger, what do you want to do? You want to move? You want to stay there? I think me and Trollface are gonna move up. It's up to you.
Let's go ahead and try and move up a little bit.
Roger that.
Hey guys, I'm at HQ. I have a dead battery.
Trollface. Hey, Roger, me and Trollface are going to move up to the top over here and scout out the dump, okay?
Watch yourself, I got movement rifle on me.
You got guys on you?
I don't know if I can move without getting hit.
I hear him. Me and him are going to move up and see if we can flank him over. Roger has guys on him, okay? We're going to have to, you want to try to flank, we're going to try to go down here and flank him, okay? Roger, this might take a little bit. There may be guys at this outpost over here. Over. Go, 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 go. To that next tree right there. Right in front of you. Drew, is there a guy? Guys, we got a sniper over here at the dump. I repeat, sniper is hit. Sniper is hit. Nice shooting, Trollface. We're going to search the general vicinity for any other enemies. Over. Hey Drew, the sniper's going to come back down.
Yeah.
Where I'm pointing, see where I'm pointing?
Yeah.
Go. Directly to your left is an enemy outpost. Sniper right now. This sniper's scaring me too.
This phone isn't really far from me.
Contact. No, enemy spotted front. Sorry, didn't mean to say contact. Me and Trollface are gonna head up.
Roger that, I got your six.
Okay. Drew, cover me.